Hi, Max.
Don't forget. Holy crap, that got so bad.
What you got? Are you trying to skip stones? Oh.
Like a star 내리는 빛처럼 반짝이는 널 가지고 싶어 엄지와 검지만 해도 내 마음을 너무 잘
You're making me feel camera shy. Thank you.
Thank you.
비가 되면서 울리는 공기송처럼 네 주을 마구 맴돌려 해 더 가까워진다면 네가 가져줄래 이 떨림은
Yeah, I know.
Can I go on your boat?
기분이 참
Yeah, can you get on their boat? I'm going to stop.
Good bone.
What? Oh no! Break everything.
Oh, why?
No.
Go follow Esther.
Yay.
Subscribe. Hi.
I can't. But like, their shows we watched were pretty bad too.
Ours were good.
They're so good.
But I wanted double major. Do you know? Look how funny they look.
What? Let me see.
No, I'm saying the marshmallow. Look,
Oh, because it's like what's it called?
it's like made for
Yeah, I've never seen marshmallows like this.
Am I doing it right?
No.
Whoa!
Oh.
That looks so cool.
Wait, you have to have like the flash.
Look, take a picture of me and Joyce. We'll do a scary face.
A scary face. Do you want a flashlight?
Remember?
Yeah, Doris does look scary. Why does that that's a dude, everything looks so big on this. Hi, Chiwon.
How many beans?
There's Joyce. Feeling that Costa shirt.
Wait, is it loading?
That's not even.
Wait, oh, this is so weird.
Max like crab.
Wait, it's tight enough. Okay.
Dude, you said you weren't doing it. Don't chicken out. Hey!
No. Yeah, no life jacket stuff. I think one yes with life jacket.
Wait,
Wakey, wakey. I think it's yeah. Also, Aaron's videotaping you. Just FYI. Hello.
Mom, 2 people haven't eaten yet.
Okay, okay. Don't worry about it.
Ace, my angel.
Oh my gosh, this sounds so weird. I hate it. Oh my gosh. Okay. We are
Oh yeah, there we go.
seniors of 2017. Hey! Will be loved, and she will be loved. Wants to be the name of the Lord. Wants to be your name. I've never heard my voice so much in this moment. Oh my gosh. Jose. Oh my gosh, it still sounds stupid whenever I sing it. No matter if my voice is higher. I will always love you.
I don't know. I don't think I got enough.
Hello, konnichiwa, watashi wa Elina desu.
You sound like the stereotypical like anime.